Hello, this is Mr. Allegro. This is probably one of my most important tutorial videos I thought everybody should know. It's how to properly take a selfie. First, you fluff your hair. Make sure it looks all nice. You sit up straight. You make your smile, and then you make a duck face. As you can see, I look like a duck. I then position my phone, not in school, about 45 degrees from my shoulder. And I tilt it down and I make sure that the camera is pointed at me with my duck face. And that, everybody, is how you take a correct selfie. See ya.